Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the accounts and classifying the 2FA methods they use so you know what to automate. This lets you choose top, push, or SMS strategies. Next, decide whether you will integrate via provider APIs, manage top secrets, or use a robot that handles UI flows. Store every secret in a secure vault or HSM and create a dedicated automation identity with least privilege. Once done, generate API keys and service credentials and rotate them immediately to reduce exposure. Now implement the chosen flow. For top, provision secrets, store them encrypted, and compute codes with a standards-compliant library so timings match the provider. For API-driven flows, script enrollments and token exchanges, handling refresh and error states, make your calls resilient with retries and exponential backoff. If you automate UI interactions, build in human-like timing and monitor for DOM changes. Make sure to log every issuance and authentication event to immutable storage to support audits and incident response. Finish by validating the whole pipeline. Run unit tests, integration checks, and end-to-end authentication against a sandbox to catch timing and permission issues. Deploy with staged rollout and require manual approval for any high-risk account automation. Enforce rotation and expiry for secrets and monitor alerts continuously. If something breaks, first verify clock synchronization and token lifetimes, then confirm vault ACLs and API rate limits. Finally, replay authenticated logs to reproduce failures and apply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.